Hello, my name is Cristian Arellano. Today I'm very happy to introduce you my amazing cousin Camila. She is a kind and a passionate person. Let's get know her better. This is Camila. She is 28 years old and her birth on March 10th. She is very woman and kind person. Her friendly smile make everyone very happy. And she a believe cousin and friends. Camila is a veterinarian. Her job is help animals. She spends her day examining and treating animals. She administers vacation and some even perform surgeries. Her dedication to animals is true inspiration. Camila is known for kind the kind nature. She is always pets and has a smile on her face. This makes a wonder bear here and great fam- family member. He is always ready to help animals and the people around her. Now let's talk about her daily of Camila routine involves examining and trains animals like dogs and cats. She performs surgeries when needed and guides import vaccines. She also educates pet owners on how to care for the animals. Her order start at 8 a.m. and finished at 5 p.m. She is dedicated to helping six animals and their well-being. In her free time, Camila, my hobbies, she loves going to the gym and after trim tales with another passion of her is photography. On weekend, she takes her camera chapter beautiful moment of nature and animal during the years. Oh, Camila is very close to her family. She's enjoy but you can guide us. She often visit our relatives to share quality time. This job on strengthens our bonds and create happy memories. Her friendly personality makes a favorite in our family. In conclusion, Camila is an inspiration person. She is a loving cousin and dedicated bear in and her passion for animals and her active la- lifestyle show her common commitment and joy in life. I am very proud of her and happy to share her strong with you. Thank you for watching my presentation.